Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool loading border animation. I don't know what to call it. I'm just going to select this and then I'm going to rotate it. This is just for the border. You're going to go to video mask and then I'm going to select this one. Oops, forgot to do that. I'm just going to rotate it and then I'm gonna make it smaller. Why is it so hard to do now? What is going on? Okay, I have to like drag it so much. I don't know what's going on with masks right now. Okay, you know what? This is as good as it's gonna get. And then I'm going to copy and paste that and I'm going to rotate it this way. Just do that. And then I'm going to add another mask here. And I'm going to use the split one. Well, actually I have to make it a compound clip first because this is not going to work if I don't. Okay. Did I do this for this one? Okay. Then you're going to add mask and we're going to use the split and we're going to split it this way. Actually this way, sorry. And then I'm going to add in a keyframe here. And like kind of at the end or like in the middle, I'm going to bring it all the way to the right. Same with this one, but just the other way around. Like here, add a keyframe, and then in the middle here, I'm going to bring it, going to bring it up. Like that. And then I'm just going to copy and paste this. Let's go to basic, and then we're going to rotate it this way for the other part, and then also this one too, copy and paste it. And then we're going to go back to basic and rotate that. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.